Right now, YouTube Shorts is one of the biggest opportunities on the internet. Every single day, Shorts are pulling in over 100 billion views. That's more eyeballs than TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Snapchat combined. And here comes the part most people don't realize. Some creators are quietly making thousands of dollars per month with these bite-sized videos. The crazy thing is, most beginners don't even believe it's possible. If you Google, "How much do Shorts pay?" you'll probably see numbers like 1 to 6 cents per thousand views. That sounds depressing, right? But here's the truth. Those numbers are only accurate for certain regions like India or the Philippines, where ad spending is low. If your viewers are mostly from countries like the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, or Australia, the payout per thousand views, what AS called RPM, can jump anywhere from $15 to $25 or even more. Let me give you an example. I came across a short that got about 3.5 million views. The payout? Roughly $700 because the RPM was just 21 cents. But if that exact same video had reached primarily United States and United Kingdom viewers at a $20 RPM, the earnings would have been over $6,000. Same video, same views, but a completely different outcome just based on the audience location. That's why strategy matters. And here's the kicker, ad revenue isn't even the most exciting way to make money with Shorts. The real hidden gem is something almost nobody talks about. Music deals. Yes, music. There are companies that will literally pay you just for using their songs inside your Shorts. I know it sounds wild, but creators are making hundreds, even thousands, without even being monetized by YouTube yet. I've seen someone earn over $1,400 from a single short using one of these deals, and their channel didn't even meet the monetization requirements. Think about that for a second. You don't need 1,000 subscribers. You don't need 10 million views in 90 days. With the right music deal, you can start making money from your very first post. That's why this is such a massive opportunity, especially if you're a beginner, a student, or just someone looking for a side hustle without a huge upfront investment. Of course, ad revenue still matters. Let's run some quick numbers. Imagine you've got a $20 RPM. That means for every 1,000 views, you're making $20. Hit 15 million views in a month and you're looking at $3,000. Add music deals on top, and that could easily bump you up to $4,500. Push that to 30 or 35 million views, and now you're in the $9,000 to $10,000 per month range. That is life-changing money for a lot of people, and it is achievable if you approach this the right way. So how exactly do you get there? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1 is choosing the right niche. Don't just post random content and hope for the best. You need a niche that's both viral-friendly and has high RPM potential. Viral-friendly means the topics have the ability to spread fast, like fun facts, reactions, tutorials, or current events. High RPM potential means the audience is valuable to advertisers. Think finance, technology, education, or even United States-based politics. Here's an example. There's a channel in the United States politics niche that regularly pulls millions of views. Because the audience is primarily older Americans, the RPM is way higher than a channel targeting kids with memes. Combine viral potential with high-paying advertisers, and you've got a recipe for serious profit. Step 2 is creating your channel. Now, here's where a lot of beginners mess up. They launch a brand new channel and immediately upload a short, only to get stuck in what's called zero-view jail. YouTube's system sometimes ignores brand new accounts until they prove they're real. The solution? Either buy an aged channel from a trusted seller for a few bucks, or warm up your own channel by spending 2 or 3 days scrolling shorts, liking content in your niche, and swiping away irrelevant videos. This signals to YouTube that you are a genuine user and boosts your chances of your first shorts actually getting pushed out. Step 3 is content creation. Viral-worthy shorts have 4 main parts: topic, script, voiceover, and editing. Start by researching competitors in your niche. Look at their most successful videos, analyze what's working, and then create your own spin on it. Don't copy. Take inspiration and add your own twist. For scripts, you can brainstorm yourself or use AI tools like ChatGPT to polish them. For voiceovers, software like 11 Labs can generate realistic voices. And for editing, tools like CapCut make the process fast and professional, even if you're a total beginner. Now, pay close attention here, because this is the difference between going viral and flopping. Two numbers matter more than anything: retention and average view duration. I've seen a short where 81% of viewers stayed until the very end, and the average watch time was a full 20 seconds on a 20-second video. That's why it exploded. The higher your retention, the more YouTube pushes your video. So focus on hooks, storytelling, and pacing. Keep people glued from start to finish. Step 4 is posting strategy. Quality comes first, but quantity matters too. Aim to post daily at the start, and once you get the hang of it, increase to 2 or even 3 shorts per day. Don't jump to 10 posts a day right away. That can hurt your channel. Instead, scale slowly and steadily. As for the best time to post, don't overcomplicate it. Just think about when your target audience is awake and active. For example, if you are targeting United States viewers, then post when it is morning on weekends and late afternoon on weekdays in the United States. Step 5 is scaling. Once you're monetized and seeing consistent revenue, reinvest. Don't waste hours editing if you don't have to. Hire freelancers from platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Online Jobs PH to handle the editing. That way, you can focus on ideas, scripts, and strategy. Some creators I know spend only an hour or 2 a month running their channels because they've outsourced everything else. That's how you turn a side hustle into a real business. And finally, the 2 golden rules: consistency and volume. I can't stress this enough. If you upload 10 random shorts in a month and then quit because you're not monetized, you're guaranteed to fail. The people who win are the ones who post consistently, keep testing, and scale their efforts over time. Consistency plus volume equals success. It's as simple as that. Now, before we wrap up, let me leave you with this. YouTube Shorts in 2025 is still in its early days compared to long-form monetization. Advertisers are spending more each year, RPMs are climbing, and new monetization methods like music deals are opening doors for beginners. The creators who stick with it now will be the ones looking back a year from today with channels generating thousands every single month. So, if you've been waiting for a sign to start, this is it. Grab your phone, pick your niche, and upload that first short. The opportunity is here. You just have to take it. And now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried making money online before, whether with YouTube Shorts or something else? What worked, what didn't, and what do you want to try next? Drop your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more practical guides, and check out the other videos on this channel where I dive deeper into YouTube growth and monetization. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.